In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your language and email content using HubSpot. This is a crucial step for ensuring that your marketing emails are tailored to your audience, enhancing both engagement and effectiveness. Let's dive in and guide you through this process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your HubSpot user guide. This is your foundational hub, offering a wealth of resources and information about the various functionalities of HubSpot that can make your marketing efforts more streamlined and efficient. Once you're in the user guide, look for the Marketing section. It's a central node for all marketing activities within HubSpot, housing tools and settings that power your campaigns. Clicking on Marketing will open up a submenu where you can manage different aspects of your marketing strategy. In this submenu, click on Email. This is where you'll be able to access and configure your email templates, settings, and strategies. It's essential for creating and sending effective marketing emails, so you'll likely spend quite a bit of time here as you refine your campaigns. Within the email interface, locate the Test option. It's a good practice to use this area to experiment with different email settings and configurations without impacting your live campaigns. This way, you can ensure everything looks and functions as expected before fully committing to a live send. Next, click on Setup. This section is where you adjust the foundational settings for your email campaigns, from naming conventions to more technical configurations. It's akin to creating the blueprint for how your emails will function and appear. Once in the Setup area, look for the Language option. This setting allows you to tailor the language of your emails to match the preferences or demographics of your audience. Choosing the appropriate language is paramount when communicating with diverse audiences, ensuring clarity and connection. Selecting the correct language setting will personalize your emails further, potentially increasing open rates and audience connection. It's a subtle yet impactful change that can demonstrate respect for your recipients' native languages or language preferences, making your communications more relatable and engaging. Let's consider a few final thoughts as we wrap up. While exploring these settings, take your time to familiarize yourself with the options available. HubSpot is a robust platform, and there's a lot to learn. If you make a selection and it doesn't seem right, remember that you can always go back and change it. Test things out, find what works best for your audience. After you've set your language preference, review all your selections before finalizing. It's best practice to periodically review these settings over time, especially if you notice changes in your audience or if you're expanding into new markets. As we conclude today's guide, remember that the details like language settings play a crucial role in your marketing success. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Please do like and subscribe for more insights and tips on optimizing your HubSpot experience.